Agent is showing me a home that is in whatever kind of condition and it's asking for. Without even stepping into the home, John, all those folks need to understand simple math. If I can afford $500,000 on paper, and if this home is asking for the difference, which in that case is 100,000, is money I can use to go ahead and put in a new kitchen or a new bathroom or new flooring, or maybe fix issues. Maybe the roof is busted. Maybe it's on well and septic, and what you fill in the blank, whatever it is. So I pose this question just like I posed to all of our branches with all of our agents nationwide. How many agents there would now show properties they may not never have considered because now they know you can get a loan? Now walking in the door, instead of thinking, well, geez, I don't want to get my clients all really excited when they may not know how much they could afford. Now you do, So when the clients walk in there, they're like, wow, it's almost like having a gift card. And then number three, all you do is put those numbers together. So as you were saying before, like with the combination, so $500,000 is my number. I may find a home that needs a lot of work. 400,000 is the purchase, 100,000 for the reno. That's 500. Maybe I fund one where it's just the kitchen and the bath, and it's asking 450, and it needs $50,000 worth of work. 450 plus 50 is 500,000. All it does is make you powerful in terms of walking into a property, knowing, okay, there's all these questions that I'm going to ask, but now I already know, and it's going to totally change my perspective before walking in the door. So I'm going to throw that back to you, John. And you just again, I get excited about it because I didn't think I could do this as a buyer, and now I can.